drive after. We won't lose that.
No, I can't believe I did that. I went to do the, oh, jeez, it's going under.
Oh, it can't go very far. It's.
How deep is it?
It's only 2 feet deep. Wait, we can.
I may be over, John. I can't believe I did that. You think it'll pop up?
Surely something will pop up.
The cork.
The cork?
See, I think that's it over there. Well, that's one reel I'm going to have clean. Oh, come on. Dave.
Oh, is that the cork right there? There's the cork right there on the shoreline.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
You see your pole?
Yeah, he's right at the pole. Now he's taking it under. Can you hook it? Or look at him take off.
Okay, well, right there, right below you. Here. The pole is right here somewhere.
Okay.
There it is.
Thank you, John.
Incredible.
All right, let me turn this off.
Hey, hand line that guy in.
Well,
while you're there.
Okay. Here, you do it.
Okay.
Well, I want my rod. I hope it's still on. Or is the oh, you know something? I bet you the spool's free spool.
Yeah, pull that redfish in first of all.
Oh man! All right, come here, Boo. You better be a 19-inch and not one of them 16. I will be upset. It's like a keeper.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's
all
like
right.
a 20-something.
All right, let's get my. Can you back us up?
Okay.
Or should we turn on the motor?
Hold on.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh, look at that dude. Yeah, boy.
Here's that rascal.
There's the rod, Stephen.